We were given a brief of the film we needed to make. We were asked to make a film where one character drops an object and the other character picks it up and gives it back to them, using shot types and editing techniques which we'd learnt during the AS course. Firstly, we made a basic list of the shot types and editing techniques which we'd need to use in the film. Then we planned the shots in more detail by creating a shot log, which listed every shot in the film in the order that they appeared. From this we created a storyboard which showed an illustration of each shot, along with camera movements and on-screen movements. A black arrow indicated an on-screen movement, whereas a white arrow indicated a camera movement, such as a pan or a tilt. Finally, we created a screenplay for our film, based on the standard screenplay template. Once we'd finished planning the film, I created a call sheet, using the call sheet template, to inform the group about where and when to meet. We filmed our video using the storyboard as a guide. We filmed 2 establishing shots on the outside of college and the main narrative inside college. From planning to filming, the video changed slightly. We removed 2 shots of the pen dropping from the first character's pocket, as we felt that this made the pace of the film too slow. We also had to use a much bigger section of corridor than we had planned to ensure that the film made sense. Once we had shot all the footage for the film, I transferred the footage to my computer and created a rushes video, which included all the raw footage that we would use in our film. Using Windows Live Movie Maker, we selected the clips that we would use in the film, because we filmed some shots more than once. Once we had decided which clips to use, we trimmed the clips to give the film the correct pace and to make sure that it made sense. As there was no dialogue in the film, we decided to edit the film in the style of a silent movie. Using the effects on Windows Live Movie Maker, we made the video black and white and added a piece of music which was typical of silent movies. Finally, we added opening titles, end credits and a caption to show a piece of dialogue, which is a convention of silent films, all in an appropriate colour and font. To film the video, we used a point-and-shoot digital camera, which I had used before on the AS course. We transferred our clips to the computer using the camera's USB cable, and we used Windows Live Movie Maker, a type of non-linear editing program, to edit the video. I found that producing and editing the video was very straightforward, as I'd used all of the technology before, but the composition and editing of the shots was more complex. If I made a similar film again, I'd plan camera movements and composition of each shot more carefully, to give the film a faster pace and a more professional feel, and I would also include a wider variety of shot types and editing techniques, such as over-the-shoulder shots and reaction shots.